You need to toss this little ball into your Converse. If you want them to stay bright white, it's not only an effective way to freshen them up, but also a real money saver. Start with a glass bowl. Add 2 cups of baking soda. It works as a natural bleach and odor neutralizer. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt. The third ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. 1 tablespoon is enough to add its whitening and antibacterial properties to the mix. Stir everything well until you get a thick paste. Shape small balls from the mixture using your hands. Once ready, let them dry. After drying, store them in a glass jar. That way they'll always be ready when your sneakers need a refresh. To use, take a plastic bowl, place your shoes inside, and pour in warm water. Drop in one of the balls. You can rub stains directly with it. Leave the shoes with the ball for a few minutes to let the ingredients do their job. Finally, scrub the shoes with a soft brush. The result? Your Converse will look like new.